let me ask you a question. Have you ever had the occasion to come out from someplace after you parked your car someplace and discover that someone dinged or dented your car?
Yes.
What did you do about it?
Nothing.
Did it make you mad?
Yeah.
Did you even look into how much it would cost to get a little ding or dent fixed?
No.
Okay, nobody does, Maria. However, there's a $50 or $60 charge to fix one about the size of a dime or a quarter. About $150 for one that's the size of a credit card, using the paintless dent repair process. Now, even though you didn't get any of those dings or dents fixed, you did end up paying for them. Do you know how?
No.
When you trade or sell your car, someone's going to look at the condition, and they're going to take into consideration the number of dings and dents that you have, and they're going to subtract from the value of your vehicle the cost to fix those dings and dents. So even though nobody gets them fixed, everybody ends up getting them paid for, okay? And they end up paying for them. But here's what we're going to do for you. Maria, we're going to fix an unlimited number of dings and dents for you during the first year, okay? If you get 100, and by the way, we hope you don't, but if you got 100, we'd fix every single one of those. And if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, I would strongly suggest that you upgrade it to 3 or 5 years, because if you do that, you're not going to have to pay for the repairs. Your car's going to stay way better looking, but most importantly, it's going to bring significantly more when you trade or sell it down the road, which will completely lower your total investment. So, we're going to give you a year's worth of paintless dent repair, and you've got the option to stretch that out to 3 or 5 years. Cool?
Perfect.
Okay, I mean, that's the conversation you have to have with the customer. All right, paintless dent repair by itself doesn't mean a damn thing. If I go to a restaurant, and I do often, and if I should commandeer the little microphone at the hostess stand and make this announcement, and the announcement would sound like this. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. My name is Steve, and if you'll come up and give me your name and your email address, I'll give you a year's worth of paintless dent repair. How many people do you think would get up out of their seats?
One.
None. Number one, they don't know what it is. Number two, if they did know what it is, they wouldn't care because they've never fixed any dings or dents. So it takes a good explanation, a good education to create value in something as simple as paintless dent repair. Now, Fernando, do you have a better idea of what paintless dent repair is?
After what you said,
Yes.
it'll basically help your vehicle hold its value worth.
Stay better looking, hold its value. Okay? Stay better looking, hold its value, and how much money comes out of the customer's pocket?
I wouldn't say zero because they're paying for it, but zero.
No, they're not paying for it.
Oh, this comes with it?
1 year.
Yeah, paintless dent repair is complimentary to the customer on both new and used vehicles for 1 year.
Yeah,
You didn't know that, did you?
I don't know.
Feel better? Well, that's why you're here. That's why you're here. Okay? All right.